In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background theme on Discord if you want your Discord to feel more personal or easier on your eyes. Updating the background theme and colors takes just a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence, even if you've never explored the settings before. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. This is the User Settings button. Give that a click. This is the same whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version on a computer. No special permissions are needed, and these changes affect only how Discord looks to you. Once the settings panel opens, find the appearance section in the left sidebar and select it. This is the hub for visual customization. Inside appearance, you'll notice options that control how your background and interface look. You can switch the overall theme to something that suits your environment, darker tones for late-night chats, or a lighter look if you prefer brighter screens. You'll also see color options that adjust Discord's accents and overall feel. As you make selections, the preview updates instantly, so take a second to try a few and see what feels best. If you have a Nitro subscription, you'll have the option to choose custom colors, giving you more fine-tuned control over the look. That's great if you're aiming to match a specific brand color or you just want a unique vibe. While you're here, consider readability. If you're sensitive to glare or spend long hours in servers, a darker background often reduces eye strain. On the other hand, a lighter background can help in bright rooms where dark themes may feel too dim. The key is to choose what keeps text clear and comfortable for you. After you've made your selections, you're done. Close the settings panel by clicking the X at the top right of the window or pressing Escape on your keyboard. Your new background theme and colors are applied immediately, and you can jump right back into your conversations with a fresh look. If you ever want to tweak things later, just return to the same appearance section. It's quick to switch between options, and experimenting is the best way to find a style that fits your setup and mood. That's all it takes to change the background theme on Discord. Enjoy the new look, and thanks for watching.